mushroom risotto, a taste of Italy. Subscribe and like for more authentic Italian recipes. Buongiorno. Welcome to our channel, where we're embarking on a delightful journey to Italy with a creamy mushroom risotto. This comforting dish showcases the richness of mushrooms, the creaminess of risotto, and the heartwarming flavors of Italian cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Italy. To create this delightful mushroom risotto, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup arborio rice, 4 cups vegetable or chicken broth, warm, 8 ounces mushrooms, cremini or button, sliced, 1 small onion, finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1/2 cup dry white wine, optional, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, fresh parsley, chopped. For garnish, salt and pepper. To taste. Now, let's experience the flavors of Italy. Step 1. In a saucepan, warm the vegetable or chicken broth over low heat. We'll use this to gradually cook the arborio rice, creating that creamy texture in our mushroom risotto. Step 2. In a large skillet or wide saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Sauté the chopped onions and minced garlic until they become tender and fragrant. Step 3. Add the sliced mushrooms to the skillet and cook until they become golden and release their wonderful flavors. Step 4. Stir in the arborio rice, ensuring it gets coated with the delicious mushroom mixture. And there you have it. The foundation of our creamy mushroom risotto is taking shape. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. In part 2, we'll reveal the secret to creating that irresistibly creamy texture and finishing our mushroom risotto to perfection. Thank you for joining us on this Italian culinary adventure. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll complete our mushroom risotto and savor its creamy goodness. Until then, grazie and happy cooking!